Assalamu alaikum. This is Suhail Iqbal. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am bringing in a very interesting proposal for you, and that is a training in resource management. We are conducting this training at Air University. Air University is organizing it. The name of the training, the title of the training is Resource Management in Practice. Interestingly, this training is not only about operations management, but it also relates to project management and all kinds of management where resources are used. You see, all these resources have to be handled and managed in a very delicate way. There are several tools and techniques we will be teaching you. So be open for this training. This is a 3-day intensive training to be held in the first week of February at Air University Islamabad. Looking forward to see you. Thank you very much.